I'm sailing in an inside cabin in the Disney Magic this week, and I'm going to give you a little room tour. Okay, I'm on the Magic, room 7535. It's an inside cabin. First look, we have a little couch there. That's my bag and stuff. And we have the bed. It's a nice, it looks like a queen. Yeah, I think it's a queen. Might be a king. I don't know. Wonderful, cute little artwork there. A dream is a wish your heart makes. Love the little bedding there. We have lights by either side of the bed, light switches, little drawers to stash your things, and it looks like power outlets for charging, so that's nice on both sides of the bed. There's a phone for use on the ship. I love these little lampshades which have all the castles marked and where all the ships are marked on them. Super cute. And then if we turn around, you'll see this is an inside stateroom, so it is a little bit on the smaller side, but it's nice because you have curtains that can separate the bed from the sitting area in case one person wants to sleep and one doesn't. I'm traveling solo, so there's no need for that this week. We're gonna turn around here. We have our TV, mirror, and we have a nice little welcome bottle of wine from my travel agent because today, embarkation day, is actually my birthday. So there is ample storage here. In this little vanity area, you've got the hair dryer. And then in here, we've got some postcards, some stationery, ordering breakfast, important phone numbers. And then we have the little fridge wine chiller situation. Where's the door handle? Down there. And then this is our big closet here. And we'll open that up. And we have our safe, plenty of room for shoes and things down there. Storage, hangers, life vests. And then we're gonna switch to the other side of the closet, which is more full-length hanging storage. And then we're gonna take a turn around into the bathroom. Like most cruise ship bathrooms, it is cozy. You have your mirror, your sink. You have a decent amount of counter space, honestly, for being a cruise bathroom. You've got body lotion, hand soap, makeup remover. And then you'll spin around. I need to close the door. It is cozy, so if you are a person of size, you might be a little cozy. We do have a full bathtub and a shower and little Mickeys on the curtains. Super cute. Let me pull this back. You've got products in the shower. And it's actually a decent amount of space in the shower. Actually, the shower area feels bigger than the whole bathtub or the whole bathroom area itself. We're out of there, honestly. So pretty crazy, but that is the cabin. Again, this is 7535 on the Disney Magic.